Have you ever imagined your music coming to life? Today we're diving into the exciting world of generating videos for music using Noisee AI. And get this, at the time of recording this video, Noisee is completely free. Are you pumped to create a video like the one you're watching right now? Let's get started. Creating your video with Noisee is easy. All you need is the music you want to use. So make sure you have an MP3 file or a link to the song you want to visualize. Head over to noisee.ai and click on the Create Video button. Log in or create a new account. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the video generation page. Now it's time to add your music. Paste the URL of your favorite track. Noisee currently supports Suno, Udio, Stable Audio, YouTube, and SoundCloud. Hover over Supported Music URL to check out the platforms Noisee is currently compatible with. Alternatively, you can upload an MP3 file of your favorite track. Keep in mind that your music should not be longer than 15 minutes. Once you have uploaded your audio, hit the Enter button and Noisee will start decoding your track. Next, choose the part of your track you want to bring to life. By default, the first 30 seconds will be pre-selected. You can extend this selection to up to 60 seconds by adjusting the slider. To preview your audio, use the play button on the right side. Move the slider if you want to use a different part of the track. Let your imagination run wild in the text box as you describe your video concept. What's the setting? Who are the characters? What's the vibe? Your description helps the AI understand and realize your vision. If you have a specific visual style in mind, you can upload a reference image to help guide the AI. This can be particularly useful if you want to maintain a consistent aesthetic across multiple scenes. Don't forget to pick the aspect ratio for your video. Now it's time to hit the Generate button and sit back while Noisee works its magic. You can monitor the progress as the AI generates your video. After a while, you can have a first peek at the clips in your video. When your video is ready, hit the Open button to jump into the Noisee editor. Your video is showcased in the center area, while the individual clips are on the left-hand side. Each clip is typically around 4 seconds long. Occasionally, it can be up to 8 seconds. To edit a clip, click on the frame in the left panel, or just pause your video while watching. On the right side, you can see the description Noisee has automatically generated for the clip. You can tweak the prompt or just enter a new one. Then click on Regenerate. From time to time, you might see a blank Oops image. This indicates the AI has marked the clip as against community guidelines. In this case, you can try to edit the description and regenerate the clip. After the final touches on your clips, you can download your video to your device. But what if your music track is longer than 60 seconds? How do you make a video for it? Actually, it's really simple. Pick the first 60 seconds of your audio and let Noisee create a video for that part. Then, start again with the next 60 seconds. Keep going until you have video clips covering the whole audio duration. Make sure to use the identical prompt and reference image for each generation. You can use a video editor such as CapCut or DaVinci Resolve to combine them into a single video. Let's take a quick look at how to do this in CapCut. Head over to CapCut.com and create a new project. Choose the aspect ratio for your video. Upload your clips and drag them into the timeline in the correct order. The clips will merge automatically. Now you can click on Export and download your video. Currently, you can create 3 free videos per day with Noisee. If you need to create more videos, a paid plan will be launched soon. And now, get ready to be thrilled by the mind-blowing video Noisee created for me.
Creeping close but out of sight, hiding just beyond the light, whispers floating on the breeze, movement swift among the trees. Can you feel it? Do you dare sense the presence in the air? Do you see it in the shadow lurking silent? Tell me, how does it prowl in the dark? Na 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 na. It's watching. Na 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 na. Always plotting.
na 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 na. It's watching.
Can you sense it? It's a dare in the night, cold and bare. Can you feel it? Do you dare? Its present lingers everywhere. Do you see it? Is the new and underneath the moon's pale gleam.